So hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create, edit, host, encrypt and stream profitable video fast and very easily yourself by using a new software which is called Vidkreate. I'm going to show you this application, that what is it and how it works, etc. But before I do, I want to mention that there is a link below this video. When you click that link, you will be redirected to the official website, and if you decide to pick up this product from my link, then you will be able to get my awesome and premium bonuses as well for free. Now, how to take bonuses, where to take them, all the further details are mentioned in the description box, so make sure you check out that. So now let's dive right into it and let me show you what exactly Vidkreate is and how it works. So Vidkreate is the first to market breakthrough technology that offers an all-in-one solution for creating, hosting and streaming your videos. This is not just like any other videos hosting platforms. It offers an all-in-one marketing solutions that skyrockets your sales and leads. This cloud-based game-changing technology has the ability to protect your content from hijackers. It also has a screen recording feature and gives you a premium HD videos and many more things. So if I talk about benefits of Vidkreate software, so firstly, Vidkreate offers DRM services at one-time price to its users. Now what is DRM? So DRM stands for Digital Right Management. It's a security and encryption protocol used mostly with visual content like videos that are considered premium or to have sensitive information. So now course creators and educational institutions can confidently put out their content without worrying about plagiarism. Then the second one is channel creation, customization and privatization. So with Vidkreate, channels let you build an exclusive content library that you truly own and control every bit of it. It's a perfect place for you on-demand webinar collection and product videos, film series, vlogging and educational content. Use channels to showcase your brand, your talents and build an audience and sell to them. And Vidkreate is an ad-free platform. It will never post videos from other people on your channel, so that's the best thing. You can also use the effective subscriber button to passively collect emails every other minute. Every user you gain also gets added to your push notification list, which is automated notification whenever you will upload your content. It will automatically send to your customers. You can also privatize your channels. You can send a private link to their subscribers. For example, sports owners will be able to send unique links to each customers to access courses or trainings. And here is the video player streaming and management tool you will receive in this software. You can also go live to connect with your viewers on a personal level. This is a particularly useful for your tutorials videos, explainer videos or even a simple get to know me video. And all of this is just a very affordable price and priority support with the lightning fast hosting services without any lagging problems. And the best thing is Vidkreate has deep and advanced analytics where you can track all information about your content like watch time, CTR, unique impressions, average stick length, click ratios, video shared, CT analytics and much more. As you can see here, you can also pause this video to read this. And if you want more information about Vidkreate, so the product vendor organized a live workshop where they will tell you step by step how you can take advantage of to use Vidkreate. So don't miss this workshop. It will start on 5th September at 10 AM Eastern. So register yourself in this workshop. I have mentioned the registration link in the description box. And yeah, that's all I have to say about this software. And if you have any question, let me know in the comments below, and again there is a link in the description below, so don't forget to check this out. If you decide to purchase Vidkreate, I am going to give you some awesome and premium bonuses as well. And if you would like to follow me, then make sure to subscribe my channel to also get future updates about other products that are being launched every single day. So that's all. Thank you so very much for watching my video and I will catch you in my next review. Until then, bye bye, take care.